Shri Sairam. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lokasheva Gurukulam online classes. Class 6, State Syllabus, Second Language English. And today's lesson, Where There Is a Will, There Is a Way. Okay, let's start. I hope you might have participated so many games and sports events at your school. Okay. If you perform well, they will select you for school level, next your district level, next state level, next national, next international, at last continent level, that is Olympics. Today we are going to learn something about Olympics. Let's start. The Olympics are considered the world's largest sports competition. Over 200 countries participate in the Olympics. The summer and winter games each happen once every 4 years, but they take place in different years. Because of this, Olympic Games happens every 2 years. Okay, the Olympics is world's biggest event because more than 200 countries will participate and more than thousands of athletes will participate in these games. Okay, different Olympics are there, summer and winter, and also special Olympics for people with mental disability, and also Paralympics for people with disability, and also Youth Olympics also there for 14 to 18 year age group people. Even they also show their talents. The Olympic Games are great opportunity for the world to come together in the spirit of friendly competition. Okay, this is very good opportunity to meet so many athletes, great players, and we can have a friendly competition with them. Next, the Olympics began in ancient Greece. It was not only a sport event but also an important religious event. Okay, it was originated in ancient Greek. They just started for to show their love and respect towards their god Zeus. So it was a religious event. Afterwards, it became a sports event. Next, Pierre de Coubertin started the International Olympic Committee in the year of 1894. He designed the Olympic flag with 5 interlocking rings on a white background in 1914. Okay, you can see this picture. This Olympic flag. This is one of the symbols of games, Olympic Games. So, who started that International Olympic Committee? That is Pierre de Coubertin. Okay. So there are 5 interlocking rings and the background is white color, which shows the unity of 5 continents. Let's learn what are the colors represent on which continent. So the color of each ring represents a continent. So blue color represents Europe and yellow represents Asia and black represents African and green represents Australia and red represents America. A host city must be big enough to handle all athletes and viewers who will come for the games. So as we know, so if a country or city, if they conduct or if they are organizing a game, Olympic Games, they should have big enough to give accommodation or to provide needy things. They should have that much environment, atmosphere. So viewers are nothing but audience. The city must also have good connectivity for people to go place to place, and it costs a lot to pay for new infrastructure, but the games can bring in even more money. The host city who are organizing, who are conducting these Olympic Games, they should provide transportation to move one place to another place. And for these things, for infrastructure and accommodation, it costs a lot. We have to spend a lot. But if we conduct it successfully, this game can bring us even more money. So we'll get profit. So because of these Olympic Games, they will build they will construct new buildings so that local people will get employment, and also if they put the country name in world map, so foreign people will visit our place, that particular country or city. So foreign tourism will increase. So local economy also will increase. These all are the benefits. Next, each Olympic event has 3 main winners. Each winner may be a person or a team. The person or team that performs best wins a gold medal. The second best athlete or team wins a silver medal. The third place receives a bronze medal. The top 8 athletes in each event also receives a special paper for performing well. So if you participate in your school events or sports meet, they will distribute prizes, right? So first prize, second prize, third prize, like this. And Olympics also they will distribute prizes, gold medals. So gold medal is for first best, and silver medal is for second best, and bronze for third best. And also they will give special pepper for performing well for the top 8 athletes in each events. And last, the Olympic flame is one of the symbols of the games. You can see that is Olympic flame. That is also one of the symbols of Olympic games. Okay, let's start the lesson. Where there is a will, there is a way. Have you ever heard this proverb? Which means Manasidare Marga Vantu. So it means that if you have enough determination, anything is possible. Willpower is the desire to achieve something. If you have it, then nothing can stop you from doing it. So here they are telling that, so if you want to achieve something, so if you set your goal, if you want to really if you want to achieve that, you should have determination. Determination means you should focus on that particular thing. And willpower, you should have willpower. I can do it, like the positive attitude you should have. So if you have these qualities, no one can stop you from achieving this, your goal or your aim. Next, no one is born great. One becomes great by his or her deeds. Willpower, patience, and perseverance. These make a person overcome his or her weakness and disabilities to achieve his or her goals. Here are two stories of athletes who have achieved their best in spite of their physical challenges. They were differently abled indeed. Okay, in this lesson also we are going to learn about two great athletes. Even though they are disability people, even though they have so many problems, they face so many difficulties, even they didn't stop their hard work. So we are going to learn about them. Okay, glossary. Event means an important happening. Exciting, causing strong feelings. Participate, take part in. Victim, one who suffers pain or disability as a result of an accident or disease. Next, massage, pressing or rubbing to reduce pain. Next, gazelle, deer-like animal. Next, recommend, suggest or advise. Sprinter means fast runner. Next, decathlon, a competition where athletes take part in 10 separate events: 100-meter dash, long jump, shot put, high jump, 400-meter run, and 110 hurdle, and discus throw, pole vault, javelin throw, and 1500-meter run. Next, opposite words, antonyms: patience, impatience, disable, able, success, failure. Next, speed, slowness, and excite, bore, weak, strong, large, small, cheerful, unhappy, disease, wellness, active, lazy. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about great players who won gold medal in Olympics. Okay, no one is born great, as we know. So when we born, that time we know what we become. So because of our hard work and our activities and our thinking capacity, it decides our future. So for example, Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam, he faced so many problems when he was young, when he was child. So because of his hard work and determination, he achieved, he became a scientist. Okay, let's start the lesson. Let's read. The 1992 Olympics had put Barcelona on the map of the world. Okay, in the 1992, the Olympics was held in Barcelona. Thousands of athletes take part in the games. Okay, more than thousands of athletes, they took part in this Olympics. Okay, next the question is, why do so many countries send their teams to the Olympics? Why it is that much important? So it is because the Olympic is one of the world's biggest, as we know, so more than 200 countries will participate. So that is one of the world's biggest events. It is an honor for any country to send her athletes to take part in these games. It is not success or failure that counts. What matters is participation in this game. Okay, so it is very very proud moment to participate in that competition, because we will meet more than 1,000 athletes who are like world best players. So in this in this Olympics, winning or losing, it doesn't matter. So which is very important, participation is very important. The players put in their best efforts to win. They want to set a new record and become the world's best ever. So these players, these Olympic athletes, they will set their new records. They will not satisfy with their record. So they have to set new record. They will beat themselves, their own records. And also they want to become world's best player ever. A few among such players have already been victims of accidents. A few others have been victims of diseases. Yet none of these see themselves as disabled. They are eager to show that they are champions in their own fields. Okay, so unfortunately some people will met with an accident. They will meet with an accident, or they will affected by some diseases. Even then they will not stop doing hard work to achieve their goal, and then they want to prove themselves as best players in their own fields. Once a champion was Wilma Rudolph of USA. She is popularly known as a black gazelle. She had the speed and grace of a deer. Okay, so this is like in our place and all, they will give names, right, title. So like this, she was called black gazelle, which means she had that speed and grace of deer. Like a deer, she has that speed. Wilma belonged to a large Negro family. In fact, she was the 14th child and was very weak when she was born. Okay, even she was belonged to a Negro family, and in her family there are 14 children. She was the last, and actually she was a premature child, so she was weak when she was born. At the age of 4, she had an attack of polio and was in bed for 2 long years. The doctors recommended regular massage to get her leg back to normal. Each member in her family spent some time massaging her leg, and in course of time she was able to walk, and she however needed special shoes. Okay, in this, at the age of 4, she was attacked by polio. So for this she has to spend her whole life in bed. So doctor recommended to massage her leg so that she can walk. So each member in her family, they took effort, and they took care of her very nicely. Then after a few years she started walking. Even then she needed a special shoes. As her legs became a little stronger, she began to run about and play. So as year passes, she started to walking and she started running. At no time did she feel that she was physically disabled, in handicapped. As years passed, she improved in her health and grew strong enough to play basketball for her school. She was always cheerful and active, and was full of hope that she would one day be a great player. Okay, so as years passes, she started playing basketball for her school, and also, so as year passes, she improved her health. She started running, playing, and also she developed willpower, and she thought that she would become a great player, great sprinter one day. A trainer of athletes happened to meet her one day. He saw that she was a talented girl and could become a sprinter. She took regular lessons from this coach, which helped her join the American Olympic team that went to Melbourne. Okay, one day she met a great athlete trainer, and also he observed her quality. He observed that she would become a great sprinter, and then she took regular lessons from this coach, and she started participating in this American Olympics, which was held in Melbourne. At the next Olympics in Rome, she became a superstar and won 3 gold medals. Okay, afterwards she participated in Rome, Rome Olympics, and she won 3 gold medals and she became the superstar. She used to say jokingly, I run fast because mine is large family and I need to get to the dining table first. So in a funny way she says that I have to run fast, otherwise I will not get the dining table, like that she used to say in a funny way. And our another champion who suffered as a lot as a boy was Rafer Johnson. So okay, our another champion is Rafer Johnson, who suffered a lot as a boy. When he was only 12, his left leg was badly crushed in a machine. The front of one of the toes was hanging out as though it would fall off. The surgeon who treated him feared that the entire leg might have to be cut off. The Rafa was very much upset. All the time, he was in bed and he prayed to the God for his mercy. He grew better day by day and the surgeon could finally save his leg, but it did not heal completely. So our another champion is Rafa Johnson. Even he met with an accident. So in a machine, his left leg was badly crushed. So that so the surgeons who perform operations under, so he suggested that we should cut his entire leg to save his life. So that he was very much upset because he can't walk. So all the time he was in bed and praying God for his mercy. So day by day he became he's picking up better. At last he started walking and he started practicing this for this competition. And finally the surgeon saved his life, but it did not heal completely. There was still weakness in his leg. Rafa's interest in sport was so strong that he did not worry about his weak leg. Okay, he did not worry about his weak leg because he had that much interested in the sports. He often had difficulty in wearing spiked shoes, but this did not stop him from having regular practice. As we know, he was very much interested in sports, so he was not at all worrying about this wearing spiked shoes and all. Even though he was not comfortable with that, he started doing this practices. He worked hard day and night and was finally selected for the Olympics. Okay, he started practicing day and night, early morning for these Olympic competitions. He took part in the decathlon and won the first place. He was called the greatest all-round athlete in the world. So he was participated in the Olympics and he won the 100 meters and he was called the greatest all-round athlete in the world. Both these champions had a dream. They set themselves a goal to achieve the dream. They worked with a will to reach this goal. Their dreams came true and they became world famous athletes. Okay, both these champions, they set their goal and they practiced and they didn't give up. They set themselves a goal and they start doing work, they start doing hard work to reach their goal. So because of that, their dreams became true and they became world famous athletes. So I have given an explanation part here. If you have any doubt, you can refer this. Okay, next we will move on to assignment part. First one, complete the following statements by choosing the right answer from the 4 alternatives given. First one, Vilma Rudolph is famous as dash. The runner on wheels, a disabled person, a wrestler, black gazelle. Next, Vilma is a dancer, sprinter, singer or teacher. Next, Vilma's legs were weak because dash. She was injured while playing. Her legs were affected by polio. Her legs were crushed by machine. She met with an accident. Next, Rafer found difficulty to run dash with artificial limbs, using crutches, with blades tied below his knees, wearing spiked shoes. Next, decathlon is dash. So, a competition where athletes take part in 10 separate events, a medal given in Olympics, a place where Paralympics is held. Next is the name of the coach of Rafer Johnson. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, Saira.